Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to do a factory reset on your Thermomix TM7. To perform a factory reset, you'll need to click on the 9 dots on the left sidebar, then go to the settings. Remember that a factory reset will log you out of your account and also will remove some of the settings. Of course, it will just revert the settings to the default. But if you want to fix something by a factory reset, or if you want to sell or hand over your device, then you can go to factory reset, then click on reset and click on confirm, and then wait until it finishes the reset. Once it goes to the screen, which you'll see in a moment, once it finishes in my case, you will be able to shut your device down if you're selling it, or just set it up again if you were doing a reset to fix it. And this is the screen that appears after a reset. That's the beginning of the setup. You can click on start to set it up, or turn the device off by pressing and holding on the power button on the bottom. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.